I chose Kuraray as the company I wanted to intern for because I recognized that it was a global company, and I thought that the culture, specifically the Japanese culture, would be a very interesting place to put myself in when it comes to my career. I think that the fact that it's a global company, I assumed would open a lot of doors for me. When I first got here, everybody was receptive to what I had to say, or my opinions, and there was always a consistent feedback loop between me and the people that I worked with. So we would always bounce off of each other, and I found that very impressive, or just a really good aspect of the company, because I was just an intern and a college student at that, right? So I didn't come into this thinking that I would have that much of a voice, but they were very open to what I had to say and any feedback. So I think this internship has given me the confidence to make the right decisions when it comes to my career. So whether I don't know what those decisions will be, but I have that confidence in myself that I know what I want, and when I see something, I know I'll recognize that. Here at this company, I'm given the opportunity to have an impact, and I'm given the opportunity to pivot in different directions if I am curious about something, if I want to explore something. For anyone wanting to intern at Kuraray, I would say show up every day, keep an open mind. Don't come in with expectations or super solidified expectations. Just come in with an open mind, because you can be surprised at what you will find enjoyable or what you won't if you keep an open mind. So if you combine those two things, show up every day and keep an open mind while you do so, I think that would be probably the best advice that I would give someone, and myself if I could go back,